Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-Hurufu al-Hijahiyya. In this lesson today, we would like to move on to the next four letters. We have Dal, Dal, Ra, and Zayu. Now, merely looking at these first two letters, the Dal and Dal, you will discover that the two look like each other, but the difference there is the dots. If you see Dal, there is no dot on Dal, but if you see Dal, there is a dot on Dal, and the pronunciation also differs. So the next two, which is Ra and Zai, also you will see that the two resemble each other, only the dots differentiate the two. The Ra does not take any dots, while Zai takes one dot. Now, okay, let's give them the vowel sound. The vowel sound Ha, that is the Fatha. When you give Dal the vowel sound Ha, which is Fatha, you call it Dal Fatia Da. Dal Fatia Da, Ra Fatia Ra, and Zai Fatia Za. Zai Fatia Za. When you give them Kasra, which is vowel sound E, you will discover that Dal becomes Dal Kasra D, Dal Kasra Ri, Ra Kasra Ri, and Zai Kasra Z. When you give them Duma, you have Dal Duma Du, Dal Duma Du, Ra Duma Ru, and Zai Duma Zu. Now, looking at this Dal and Zai, you will discover that the pronunciation is almost the same. But the difference between the two is that what this Zayu, this last one, you vibrate when you call it, while this one is Dal. Dal. This is the Zu. Why this one is what? Za, Zi, Zu. Now let's go to the examples. Now let's get some examples. We have Jim Fatia. Even when you take Jim Fatia Ja from our previous lesson, Jim Fatia Ja, Dal Kesro Di, and Ra Doma Ru. This one we call what? Ja Di Ru. Jadiru. If you take Alif Fatia A, Kha Kesro Khi, and Zai Doma Zu, this one becomes Akhizu. Akhizu. When you have Ba Fatia Ba, Zai Fatia Za, Zai Fatia Za, and Dal Doma Zu, this one will be called Bazazu. 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 Now, if you are just coming across this video for the first time, like, share, and follow this page for your Quran class. Now, when you take Alif Fatia A, Ra Fatia Ra, and Dal Fatia Da, this one will become Aro Da. Please help me share this video so that more people benefit from this class. Now, this is Dal. When you take Dal do Mathu, Dal Kesra Di, and Ra Fatia Ra, this one becomes Thu Di Ra. Thu Di Ra. When you take Zai do Mazu, Ba Fatia Ba, and Ra Fatia Ra, becomes Zubaro. Zubaro. When you take Ra do Maru, Dal Kesra Di, and Dal Fatia Da, this one becomes what? Ru Di Da. Ru Di Da. When you take Zai Kesra Z, Ba do Mabu, and Ta Fatia Ta, this one becomes Zi Bu Ta. Please go to our comment section and tell me, how do you pronounce this one? Kha Fatia Kha, Dal Kesra Di, and Jim Fatia Ja. And I also implore you, please, on your own, write those letters out and begin to form 33 letters. If